I've been working with KW suspension since day one.
The quality of the KW suspension is incredible.
The professionalism of KW suspension is top of the line. I never dealt with any other suspension companies before like them.
KW has been really supportive, even through the build process on the RX-8.
You know, anytime I put together a package of sponsors, we go for the elite, for the best. KW Suspension, a quality brand, a worldwide known brand, and a brand we're happy to be associated with. Fashion equals function. The materials that are used, the design of the shock, total up to what is a top-class, world-class product.
It's on the oval circuits where the individual tuning comes into play, the amount of adjustment available to us. KW stuff is just unbelievable.
Without KW suspension, I wasn't even here.
The uniqueness and the high quality of the KW suspension has been a great match for us. We use it at the shop, on our race cars, and sell it to customers, and just across the board, it's just been a great suspension for us.
We are dedicated on what we're doing, and we have the driving experience by ourselves. So we are very close to the racers, and we are supporting nearly every race series we sell to.